Hello, Ma'am and Sir. Good day. My name is Carmela Galve. I am 40 years old. I am a high school graduate. I am married. I have one daughter. The age is 2 years old. Currently living in Kalilangan, Bukidnon, Mindanao, Philippines. I have work experience as domestic helper in Philippine, Pasig, Manila for 10 years. My duties are household chores, sometimes cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and washing cars. And my second employer, I go abroad for UAE Abu Dhabi. I worked there for 3 years and 6 months. My duties are household chores, cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, and taking care of their babies. I really want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family and also I want to help my children for my future. I want to save money, and to my future employer, please choose me and hire me. I will do my best to work with you as soon as possible. God bless.